All right, guys, welcome back. Here we are on day number 6 of our 30 days solo skills and drills training series. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick drill today to help you guys start developing head movement for defense. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I need you guys to do is get in front of a mirror, get in your on guard base and kind of make note of where everybody's standing or where you're standing. You're gonna tape out a box. You can use a marker, painter's tape, masking tape, whatever works for you guys, lipstick. But I want you to make a box that's just above your head, ear to ear wide, and just below your chin. Okay, so just above your head, ear to ear wide, and just below your chin. All right, so you're gonna tape off this box. I'm gonna give you guys some different motions of head movement that you could start working in combination. Now, why this box? Think about this for a second. This is the batter's box. When people are swinging, they're swinging down that pipeline to try and punch you in the face. They want to knock your head off of your body, which means they have to now get inside that box. Your best idea is to move your head outside the box so that way you're not eating their punch. First motion that we're going to do, starting off in the box, we're going to go straight down and straight back up. So if our box is here, the top of our head should start from the top of the box to the bottom of the box and back up. So we have this up and down motion, up and down motion, up and down motion. That's number one. Number two, we shoulder roll. So our right ear is gonna come to the left side of the box, or left ear is gonna come to the right side of the box. So we shoulder roll and put our shoulder in the way. Shoulder roll, put our shoulder in the way. Again, think about that box. And there's your shoulder roll. Third one is going to be a U. Okay, so we're going to now make a U and go from one leg to the other leg of that box, right? So start off on the vertical member, end up on the other vertical member. So we make one big U, one big U, one big U. A lot of times we call this bob and weave, right? Fourth motion is a double, okay? It's a W. So we start off on that same vertical member, we're working our way to the other vertical member, we go halfway and halfway, halfway and halfway. It's kind of peekaboo style, right? Up and up. So halfway down, up in the middle of the box, halfway down, up in the middle of the box. So you got now basically 4 motions. We have the up and down, we have the shoulder roll to either or side, we have the bob and weave, or what I call the U, and then we have the W, up and up. What I want you guys to do is take those 4 motions, spend about 30 seconds of doing nothing but drills, combining all 4 naturally. Put that box in front of you, understand where you're at, start off somewhere in the middle, be prepared, base is up, hands are up, we're in good guard position, and start working nothing but head movement. And start working those lines. Okay, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, try and get about 10 rounds. I'll see you guys tomorrow.